Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing teeth whitening at home with very simple ingredients. You can prepare this remedy and it whitens the teeth naturally, will get you rid of the yellowish, this kind of stain of the teeth without causing any damage or any problem, and it's very effective to use every day until you achieve the result you are looking for. It whitens the teeth naturally without without even costing you that much. So to prepare this teeth whitening at home, the first thing we will need is vitamin C, and here I have 1,000 milligram of vitamin C. We will need around half tablet or even less, because I don't want to prepare too much of the remedy, because it's better to not store it and use it every time fresh, since the vitamin C get oxidized easily. So this is the quantity I'm going to use, and then I'm going to add on it 2 teaspoons of natural yogurt or curd, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and here I'm using the Vaseline lotion. It has so many ingredients that actually would work in teeth whitening. A teaspoon of this. Of course, make sure you're not going to swallow the remedy, and this is not for kids to use. So well, we're still using toothpaste, and toothpaste has also, way more ingredients than, this, what's leaving on the skin, so our skin already absorb it. But I mean, we need to add 1 teaspoon of it. And now we'll need to mix the ingredients until the vitamin C will dissolve completely. Try to get it dissolved in the yogurt or the curd, because it's not going to dissolve in the vitamins, in the Vaseline, like so, my friends. This amazing remedy, guys, if you tried it once, you're not going to to stop using it, except if you are super lazy like me. But when you're actually having something or occasion coming, or you're going out or something, for whatever occasion or something, it will be something that you do 100%, because it whitens the teeth naturally. And you will see the difference from first use, actually. So try to use it while it's actually bubbly, because you put it on your teeth and it kind of eats up the yellowish of the teeth. Don't worry, vitamin C has yellowish color. It does not stain the teeth. It's actually removing the yellowish. So mix the ingredients like so. And once you mix the ingredients, with an aid of toothbrush, dip it into the remedy and apply it on your teeth and brush the teeth with it. Leave it, keep brushing your teeth for 5 minutes, following the tooth brushing, the advice by dentists, if If you don't know how, you can Google this, it's very popular. And brush your teeth with this amazing remedy that whiten the teeth from first use, guys, I promise you. So I really hope that video will help you too, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon, and leave a nice comment, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.